Do you hold your drumsticks like this? Then stop it. Having your finger up the stick like this will not help you. I know it feels like it is, because it feels like you have more control of the stick, but it is an illusion. What you're actually doing is restricting the stick from bouncing, and drumming is all about utilising the bounce in the stick. So this ain't gonna help you. Wrap your fingers round, and this space in between your thumb and your index finger, this bit in here, is where the stick should go. Instead of this, we want this. Wrap it round, let it rest on this bottom part of your index finger, and then you've got all this lovely space in here for the stick to move upwards. We can close this gap or open it as necessary to create control. So if I try and play doubles with my finger like this, it kind of gets limited. However, if I use the correct technique, wrap the fingers round, there's space for the stick to bounce. So if you hold your sticks like that and you've been struggling with speed and it's getting really frustrating, that is why. You're welcome.